BrightstarDB is a fast and scalable NoSQL database for the .NET platform with code-first data model generation. This video is a quick introduction to developing with BrightstarDB. We define the data model using .NET interfaces. iActor is our first interface. It is decorated with the entity attribute to indicate that this type should be included in our data model. We then define the domain properties such as name, date of birth, and the films that an actor stars in. The film interface also has the entity attribute and the domain properties name and actors. Actors is defined as an inverse property. This annotation states that a film's actors is the inverse of the actor's film's property. With the interfaces defined, we can generate the concrete implementation by right-clicking on the entity context.tt file and running the custom tool. The .tt file requires no developer coding and processes all the interfaces and the annotations to produce the implementing classes. Now we can actually use them in our program. First of all, we define a connection string that specifies how to connect to the store. Then we actually initialize a context. If the store doesn't exist, it will be created at this point. Then we can use the context to create some data. So films.create will create us some films and we can set the properties. Then we can create an actor. And then we can connect the film objects that we created earlier to the actors films collection. Create another actor, and then save and persist the changes. Then we can open the context again and do a query on the actors to find one with a particular name. We can then ask for all the films for that particular actor, and then from that collection find a particular film with a given name. Then we can iterate through these and output the name of the actor. BrightstarDB brings together the power and performance of a triple store with the everyday tools of a .NET developer, which are classes, objects and link queries. The developer preview is available soon from BrightstarDB.com.